Smart kid. You don't touch the power. You know
It's gonna fly so much better.
Flies better with it.
Smart kid. You're a smart kid.
Well then, give it back. I got nothing.
I'm recording, so no. He hasn't gotten the bug for modifying yet, so it's all right.
He's a free fan. He's just gonna.
It's free?
Well, I was gonna sell it to him. He doesn't have the money.
That's all right. Let's forget it. That was mine running. Oops. Okay, he's coming in.
He'll figure it out once he puffs the battery.
The stock one is just way too hard on packs.
Well, it's the old 1680. It puffs. It just ruins batteries.
Is it an in runner?
It's out.
Oh.
It's the old Freewing 1680 kV.
Oh yeah. Actually, some of them weren't even 1680. Some of them were lower kV.
1550.
Yeah.
Takeoff flaps.
Did they even move?
Landing flaps.
Yeah, they did.
Flaps up. Takeoff flaps.
Alright.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Take it off.
Gear up.
More meat.
Flaps up.
God, they sound so. They're such in unison.
Gear down. Gear up.
You're not going up.
The doors didn't close. Still didn't close.
Gear down. Gear up.
I took the gear doors off them, and one of my
Time
mains
remaining, 2
is kind of
minutes.
weak, the motor, so that's why I have a big gash on my wingtip, because one of them didn't come down because the gear door didn't have enough power to open.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna do pass. You want to do some touch and goes?
Whatever you want.
Let's do one more pass when we can do touch and goes.
Okay.
OG Hawk days. I remember those days. We had like 10 of them.
Yep.
That was
One
fun.
after another.
Oh, there's your shadow. I saw that.
Close.
Alright, you want to do touch and go?
Yep. I'm gonna speed up. It'll seem like I'm gonna pass you, but we'll
Gear down.
end up being at the same
I'll
speed.
go closest to us.
Yep.
Oh,
Wait, what?
Frank's just doing his own thing.
Time remaining. 1 minute. Gear up.
God damn it, Frank, you didn't touch me though.
He didn't even ask. He just went out.
Yeah, he just went. He was like, fuck you guys. I don't know, can you? Oh, I'm doing it. Let's just...
Touch and go.
I'll be closest to us.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
I actually like flying from here because you get the end of the runway. So
Right, you get the whole thing.
Gear up. Flaps up. 10, 9, 8,
touch and go.
7, 6, 5. Landing flaps. 4. Gear down.
I don't use flaps.
I usually don't use them at all, but I'm doing it to slow down to catch up to you.
3, 2, 1. Time expired. Gear up. Flaps up.
We're right next to each other.
Grab my hawk fan. It sounds so weird at like a low throttle, but at high throttle it sounds good.
Yeah.
I
Gear
think that could
down.
just be
Landing
airframe
flaps.
vibration.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Okay, I'm coming down.
Down. Landing flaps.
Landing!
My battery's probably not very happy.
Yeah, mine either. It's kind of hot out.
Hot, yeah. Whoa, hello, Frank. Crazy ass. You were below my plane. You were below my plane. And I was on the ground. How's that possible? Yeah.
Okay, buddy. Nice looking light burner that you got in his F-18.
Oh, yeah. Burning the light. The who?